So home, give a context here again. That will return same for you. Now just I will copy and paste the whole things because video getting too longer. Loading screen change to the home screen, that your home page. I need to import home page. If the errors come, so we are importing it here like this. Now we have one more string, copy full thing from the here and paste it here. That will be the country list, and this will become the country list. So here the one thing to explain that we have declared the three different pages under the routes. So which page comes first on the screen? How we can know? So for that, to make a page that comes first like a launcher or main, we have to go one step of the routes and declare initial routes, and then initial route we have to declare just one thing, that is this one. So we are going here into commas and you have done. So now this you have to write only this string to call this in a whole application. That's what we have done. So according to our coding, this will be the first screen to load. So just go and work on it. So what we have to do, we have to do make a full background and drive and place a spinner which runs till the result not come from the internet. So what we have to do, put a spinner here. So let's go forward. As we already have, that we are dealing with the material app UI. Scaffold goes here, scaffold. Sometimes I do such a silly mistake. We have to scaffold spinning is with start with a capital S. Scaffold. So we don't want to declare the add bar, we just need a background as fully blue. So background colors dot blue, and here you have done, the screen will get blue automatically. But under the scaffold we have to declare a body that contains a spinner kit. So get a body here. We have to go a center widget. That will be perfect because we have to put the spinner kit under the center widget. Center. And that will come, okay, how we can add the spinner here. So for that we have to go a official website of developer, official website of flutter.dev. So let's open your Chrome and write spinner.flutter. Once you write here, you can see the list is come. The official website name is pub.dev. Click on it, and you can see there is a different type of spinners. That will not that spinner we are searching for. We have to go to the official web dev and write spinner. Let's see which spinner we have to switch. This is not that one. So we have to write Flutter SpinKit because that dependency is known as a SpinKit, not a spinner. Do you think that I'm making mistake? Actually not. I'm just I'm just trying to show you that how to search different dependency on flutter.dev website. So let's get forward, write a Flutter spinner kit, click on OK. Once the result occurs, here you can see that the Flutter SpinKit dependency for you. Click on it. And here the dependency like that earlier we have in our GitHub, and the third party API you can also call that. Here you can see there's some option readme, change log, example, installing version. So we have to go to installing and see that how we can use. As you can see, this will add a link like this to your package pubs like YAML. So click copy this Flutter SpinKit here, go to your function, sorry, your projects, go to the file, go to the down as much as you where you found the dependency options, and now here is the dependency option you have. Click here, click it here. One more thing that the remember do most is that do not paste it here. In earlier videos which have on YouTube and the developers and the earlier who designed that application above the dependency about the Flutter 12 point some version 12 before without a null exception support. Now Flutter have a null save too. So after the version of 13 we have to declare it here, not here. If you declare it here, it will throw you error. Click on it and close the files, go to the skins here, and we have to the spinner kit. Spinner, it will not occur, but it occurs for you get dependency options here. When you get the dependency, you will get the occurs here. So what we have to do, as you can see in the top of the screen here, the get dependency option. As we recently added a dependency, it will always get first, it will always come first after some time. Click on it, and that's the important part, because without clicking on dependency will not work as in an application. Till that the progress goes here, we have to do some code more. Write a child under the section of center and put a spinner. As it's finished with exit code 0, so it will come automatically, means that dependency is now get in your project and you can use it. So that will I'm going to use. And what there is, click on alt enter. Usually you do not have to declare the essential class property called colors. So, how do you see here the colors option comes for you. Now we have to provide the colors that you want to put in your spinner kit. So I'm going to put the white color here. Colors dot white. Let's run the code and see what we done till now. Select web chrome.web and wait till the result occurs for us. And here you can see what it is produced for us. As we already declared, go to the code and explain something. As we already declared here, the body and the spin kit will be on a child parent of a center widget. So which means the whole body it will make it a center. This is center keyword. Let's good example. Let's understand. Once the body we declare that body, this is the body from here to here, this will be body. Once you declare this, we don't declare the toolbar here, bar toolbar. If we declare toolbar, the body will become the this will be your body. So as we declare only a body, we did not declare sorry, we have I'm trying to delete it, so that thing will be more clear. So this will be the body. Once you declare the body on the scaffold, this will become the body. So center widget center put align into x_0,0 means that things is, if this is x-axis, make it on center. I'm just trying to explain it, don't go with center or not. And this the center will become center, the center will become in the axis 0, 0, 0, 0. So center will be is here. So that's how it comes to the center. Delete all the things, so make it more clear. So hope it's clear for you now. So that's the end of this video. In the next video we will take a look at how we can call the network and get the result back, and once the result back we will stop it here and get to the next thing. Thanks for watching the video, thanks for your time, and if you like the video, if you like my programming, please do share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.